Best deals.
1. Tiffin. Comes with an insulated bag to maintain food temperature and reduce condensation. Features 2 stacked tiers for separating different types of food, with a round shape for compact storage. Equipped with leak-proof rings on the outer circumference of each tier to prevent spills and leaks. Made from durable stainless steel with a top-notch mirror finish for a sleek appearance. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Slow Juicer. The small, space-saving design of the Slow Juicer helps you to save counter space in your kitchen without compromising on the end results, that is, nutrient-rich juices. Designed with a reverse motor action, mostly not found in conventional juicers. This feature helps clean any pulp blockages and also ensures a better extraction process. 130W motor, equipped with a higher motor power than most juicers in the same range, so that any ingredient you put in the appliance is juiced fully. Only dry pulp is left behind and your nutrition-rich delicious juice is ready to consume. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fry Pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron fry pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cooking Pot. Sturdy, riveted handles for a reliable grip and lifelong durability. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, scratch-resistant and metal spoon-friendly. Quality that's as appealing as it is practical. Host the ultimate dinner parties with our 2-liter handy. The stainless steel lid locks in flavors while the black body dazzles your table setting. Let your cooking and presentation shine. Enjoy toxin-free meals with our non-reactive, non-stick hard anodized cookware. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Idli Maker. Designed for making soft idlis, mini idlis, dokla, modak, dumplings, and steaming vegetables. Perfect for preparing healthy meals with minimal oil. Comes with 4 idli plates with 9 idli slots each along with a mini idli plate, allowing you to cook multiple idlis at once for family meals. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant. The heat-resistant glass lid lets you easily monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid and releasing steam. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Knife Set. Experience smooth slicing with razor-sharp stainless steel blades, ensuring every cut is precise and clean. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these knives resist wear and tear, providing lasting durability. Perfect for daily use, these knives maintain their sharpness over time. Ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Door Stoppers. These door knob wall protectors are designed for reduce the wall damage from banging doors, keeping a quiet door opening, no more noise of doors banging against the wall by naughty kids, no more dented marks on wall, can be used in living room, bedroom, bathroom, baby room, anywhere you need. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dosa Tawa. Embrace a low-oil lifestyle with our PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. Ultra-durable granite surface, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cast Iron Kadai. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile. Cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, sabzi, fried snacks, gravies and many more. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cylinder Trolley. Is fitted with caster wheels having a natural rubber cushion over a nylon center wheel which ensures that the gas trolley is safe for your flow. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lunch Box. Comes with a split partition design, allowing you to separate different foods like fruits, salads, and main dishes. This design helps you maintain a nutritious, balanced diet by avoiding flavor mixing, keeping your meals fresh, clean, and perfectly organized. This lunch box is BPA-free and completely safe for direct food contact. It's durable, reusable, and designed for long-term use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. Adjustable speed control switch. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference. Low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable blade for seamless chopping. The BPA-free tool features a simple eco-friendly design for ease of use. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free ABS plastic, this chopper is built to last. It can handle the toughest chopping tasks while remaining unbreakable, ensuring its longevity in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bucket. Is ideal for small apartments and tight spaces. When not in use, it folds flat, making it perfect for easy storage in a cupboard, drawer, or under the sink. Keep your home organized and clutter-free. Perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks, including mopping floors. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Food dehydrator. Removes excess water from foods without compromising their natural juices, taste, and nutrients, boasting a 97% retention rate of vitamins and minerals. Comes with 5 food-grade stainless steel height-adjustable trays that allow you to dry different foods, fruits, and veggies at once. The trays can be stacked with a clearance of 1.5 cm or 2.8 cm as per the thickness of the food. The dehydrator is equipped with a control panel that allows you to set a timer and adjust the temperature with a simple touch of a button. You can set the temperature between 35 degrees approximately 70 degrees Celsius and timer from 30 minutes 48 hours with 30 minutes interval, depending on your food dehydration requirements. To clean, simply remove the trays from the machine and wash them using soapy water. Comes with 5 stackable trays, offering flexible capacity. The height adjusts from 30 cm, compact, to 40.5 cm, extended, making room for larger items. Inbuilt power saver function, consumes only 0.3-0.5 units per hour, helping you save electricity while ensuring efficient and consistent drying performance. 350 W high power performance. More wattage means a more powerful machine, delivering faster heating, stronger airflow, and quicker, more efficient dehydration. Temperature and time control. Customize dehydration with a 35 to 80 degrees Celsius range and 1 to 48 hour timer to suit different foods. The food dehydrator gently removes excess moisture while preserving natural flavor, juices, and nutrients, ensuring up to 98% retention of essential vitamins and minerals. Rotating airflow system. Features an 180 degrees rotating tray designed for uniform heat distribution and consistent drying results. Premium build, made from stainless steel, ensuring sturdiness, safety, and long-lasting performance. Prepare colorful vegetable chips or dried veggie mixes. With adjustable trays in 80 degrees Celsius maximum temperature, you can preserve veggies for cooking, snacking, or garnishing, all while keeping their nutrients intact. Dry fresh tea leaves and herbs to make your own herbal teas and scented blends. Fathom's gentle air drying technology keeps the natural aroma, color, and health benefits intact. Perfect for lightly drying nuts and seeds to extend shelf life and enhance crunch. With uniform heat circulation, your nuts remain fresh, flavorful, and naturally healthy. Prepare condiments and spices like chili peppers at home. The dehydrator ensures long-lasting freshness and bold flavor, ideal for cooking, seasoning, or storing. Make healthy, preservative-free pet treats like dried salmon bites. Packed with natural protein and nutrients, your pets will enjoy safe, homemade snacks made with love. Product link is given in the 15th link.